Hey everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this episode you will learn how to make basic footsteps. You can use your own sounds to make it perfect fit for your game. After this video, this is the result you will get. So let's get started. The only thing you need for this tutorial is a sound of a single footstep. It's very important to just have one step. You can download these sounds from freesounds.org. Here's the link and you can search for footstep. In a previous video I showed you how to use the standard first-person controller. We're also going to use that now. Drag the prefab into your scene and make a new C# script for it. Click Add Component, New Script, and call it something like Footsteps. And open it. To know when the player is grounded and what the speed is, we want to make a reference to the character controller. To do this, we first make a new variable of type character controller and call it something like CC. In the stars function we want to find it, and because this is a component of our own game object, we can use CC equals get component, and between these brackets say character controller, and don't forget these round brackets. So now we made a reference to our own component, and in the update function we want to check if the player is grounded and he is moving and the audio is not playing. So we make a new if statement, and in the if statement we want to check the character controller is grounded is equal to true, so if it's on the ground, and cc dot velocity dot magnitude is greater than 2, and the audio is playing is equal to false. So when the player is on the ground and he is moving and the audio is not playing, we want the audio to play. If you use audio.play, you need to have a component with audio source. So save this file and attach a new component, the audio source. In the audio clip you need to assign your footstep sound and uncheck play on awake. If we test this now, you can hear that we just created footstep sounds, but it doesn't sound very realistic. You hear the footsteps at the right moment, but it seems unreal. Why is that? If you listen to someone walking, you hear that every step sounds a little bit different. We could use a list of 10-20 different audio clips and play them at random order, but that would be very consuming. And there is a more appropriate way to do this. If you have a look at the audio source, we can see two built-in functions, the volume and the pitch. The volume is just the volume of the clip, and the pitch is the speed and the tone height of the clip. So if we change this to a random number every time we play it, we get a different sound for each footstep. To do this in script, we go back and we only have to add 2 extra lines. We do this above the play because we first want to change it and then play the sound. And if we have a look at the audio, we can see we have a pitch over here and we have a volume. So first let's change the volume and assign a random value to it. So use random.range, and the range is from 0.8 to 1 because 1 is the maximum volume. And we do the same for the audio pitch. also random range, but the default here is 1 and it goes from 0 to 2, I think. So we use 0.8 till 1.1. Always remember to put the F after every decimal number. If we check this, we should hear different sound steps for every step. You can hear that every footstep is different now. If you tweak the settings, you can get a very realistic sound effect for your particular game. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if it did, please comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Hi again. In this tutorial I will show you how to make a gun tune. Use breakcast and instantiate bullet holes. So here we go. So in the description I'll post a link where you can download this complete project file. In this file you will find a customizable gun pack. It's from the Unity Asset Store, and there are a few models you can use, gun models. Hole texture, the already made prefabs and scripts and the gun sound. So you will be fine and you can download it and start immediately.